Welcome back. If you're tired of watching your grocery bill climb higher every week, you're in the right place. Today, I'm on a mission to help you keep more money in your pocket, without sacrificing the foods you love or the brands you trust. I'm about to reveal 23 grocery store secrets that can save you hundreds, maybe even thousands, on food in 2026. These are real actionable tips that you can start using on your very next shopping trip, no matter where you live or what your budget looks like. To bring you the best advice, I visited 5 different stores, chatted with employees, and put every single hack to the test. I wanted to see what actually works and what's just hype. From big box chains to local markets, I left no stone unturned. With prices rising faster than ever, shopping smart isn't just a good idea, it's essential. Every dollar counts, and the strategies I'm sharing today are designed to help you stretch your budget further than you thought possible. Forget the old school advice you've heard a million times. These aren't your grandma's tips. These are next-level strategies that grocery stores hope you never discover. We're talking about insider tricks, digital hacks, and clever ways to outsmart the system. Stick with me until the very end, because the last tip I'll share is the one that saved me the most money. Seriously, you don't want to miss it. You'll be amazed at how much you can save with just a few simple changes. So grab your shopping list, get ready to take notes, and let's dive in together. It's time to hack the grocery store and take control of your food budget, once and for all. Secret 1. Always shop with a list. Stores are designed to make you buy more, but a list keeps you focused and on budget. Plan your meals, write down every ingredient, and stick to your list. Your wallet will thank you. Secret 2. Join your store's loyalty club. It's free, unlocks exclusive discounts, and gets you personalized coupons for what you actually buy. Scan your card every time and watch the savings add up. Secret 3. Buy in bulk, but only for non-perishables and staples. Bigger packages mean lower prices per unit, just check the math. For things like rice, pasta, and paper towels, you'll save big over time. Don't overdo it with perishables. Focus on what you'll actually use. Create a mini warehouse at home for long-lasting savings. Secret 4. Always check the unit price on the shelf tag. Bigger isn't always cheaper. Sometimes the smaller box is the better deal. The unit price is the real truth teller. Make it your first stop before tossing anything in your cart. Secret 5. Buy produce that's in season. In-season fruits and veggies are cheaper and taste better. Check a seasonal chart and plan your meals around what's freshest. Your wallet and your taste buds will thank you. Secret 6. Avoid the laziness tax on pre-cut and pre-packaged foods. Every time you reach for those ready-to-eat fruit cups or bags of chopped veggies, you're not just paying for the food, you're paying a hefty premium for convenience. The price difference can be shocking. A block of cheese or a whole pineapple costs way less than the pre-cut version, sometimes even half as much. By spending just a few extra minutes at home, you can slice, dice, and prep your own ingredients for a fraction of the cost. Invest in a good knife, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can get the job done. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get fresher, tastier results. Don't pay extra for what you can easily do yourself in minutes. Your wallet will thank you. Secret 7. Hunt for deals in the clearance and sales racks. You'll find items up to 90% off, often just because of a dented can or yesterday's bread. Freeze what you can't use right away. Always scan the clearance section for hidden gems. Secret 8. Use digital coupons from your store's app. Stack store and manufacturer coupons for double or triple discounts. 5 minutes of planning can mean huge savings at checkout. Don't leave money on the table. Clip those digital deals. Secret 9. Never shop hungry. Hunger destroys your willpower and leads to impulse buys. Eat a snack before you go, and you'll stick to your list. We tested it. Shopping hungry cost almost 50% more. Protect your budget with a full stomach. Secret 10. Give store brands a try. Many are made in the same factories as name brands, just with different labels. Blind taste tests often show no difference, or even a preference for store brands. Swap a few items and watch your savings grow. Secret 11. Plan your meals before you shop. Check your pantry first, then build your list around what you already have. This cuts waste and ensures every item has a purpose. Meal planning is the blueprint for saving money. Secret 12. Know your expiration dates. Sell by and best buy aren't the same as use by. For the freshest items, reach to the back of the shelf. This simple move can add days or weeks to your food's life. Secret 13. Don't overlook frozen produce. It's picked at peak ripeness, often cheaper and lasts longer. Out of season? Go frozen for better value and less waste. Perfect for smoothies, baking, and quick meals. Secret 14. Don't shop at just one store. Check weekly ads for the best deals at a few nearby stores. Split your shopping to maximize savings. A little extra planning can save you thousands a year. Secret 15. Don't fall for eye-level products. The best deals are usually on the top or bottom shelves. Scan the whole aisle. You'll often find a cheaper version just out of sight. Don't pay extra for prime shelf space. Secret 16. Use cashback apps like Ibotta or Fetch Rewards. Scan your receipt after shopping and get real cash back. It's free money for buying what you already need. Don't skip this. Those small rebates add up fast. Secret 17. Buy meat in family packs for the lowest price per pound. Portion it at home and freeze for later. You'll pay half as much as the small packs. A little prep saves you a lot. Secret 18. Shop late in the day for markdowns on bakery, deli, and prepared foods. Stores discount perishables before closing, sometimes up to 50% off. Time your trip for big savings on items you can eat or freeze. Secret 19. Stop buying bottled water and pre-made drinks. Use a reusable bottle and a water filter. Save hundreds a year. Make your own coffee, tea, and juice at home for a fraction of the price. It's better for your wallet and the planet. Secret 20. Always check the weekly ad before making your list. Base your meal plan on what's on sale. Let the deals guide your menu, not the other way around. Never shop without checking the ad first. Secret 21. Freeze your leftovers to prevent waste. Portion out extra food and freeze for quick meals later. You'll save money and always have something ready on busy nights. The freezer is your best friend for stretching your grocery budget. Secret 22. Grow your own herbs at home. A small potted plant costs less than a single package at the store and lasts all year. Start with basil, mint, or parsley on a sunny windowsill. Fresh herbs, big savings, and better flavor. Secret 23. Always review your receipts. Mistakes happen. Wrong prices, missed discounts, double scans. Check your receipt before you leave and get your money back if there's an error. It's your money. Don't let it slip away. There you have it. 23 powerful secrets that can help you save hundreds of dollars every single month on your grocery bill. I personally put all these tips to the test for an entire month, and the results were incredible. I managed to save over $300 just by making a few simple changes to my shopping habits. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Maybe treat yourself to a nice dinner, start a savings fund, or even splurge on something you've been eyeing for a while. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your absolute best grocery saving tip? Drop it in the comments below, and let's help each other save even more. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more practical, money-saving videos, just like this one. We post fresh tips every single week, all designed to help you live better for less. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.